Hello friends, the title of the video is Data Empowerment and Protection Architecture. The government is all set to launch a Data Empowerment and Protection Architecture draft, that is DEPA. DEPA will allow citizens to have control over how their data is used or shared while ensuring privacy. According to the draft, millions of Indians are creating electronic transaction histories and becoming data rich at historic rates. DEPA is founded on the premise that individuals themselves are the best judges of the right uses of their data. So, they should not struggle to access and share their data. India is the first country in the world to take a citizen-centric approach to personal data sharing. Using DEPA, individual and small business can use their digital footprints to access not just affordable loans but also insurance, saving, and better financial management products. According to the draft, even before COVID-19 hit India, 92% of small business lacked access to the formal credit. The draft said consented data sharing can reduce cost and risk premium of offering loans to small entrepreneurs by creating frictionless and secure access to data. Most such loans today are offered based on collateral. Instead, offering short-term working capital loan based on evidence of past turnover, for example through GST, that indicates a future capacity to repay is critical to solving the 20 to 25 trillion rupees credit gap faced by MSME. DEPA is aimed at inverting the traditional Western model, where data is simply used to advertise and sell products. Here, data can be used to empower billions Indians. Protection of data privacy and user rights are gaining increasingly significance in an evolving complex digitized world. DEPA will also be piloted in the health sector this year. On August 15, Prime Minister announced the National Digital Health Mission, which includes a health ID and data sharing framework for personal health record. DEPA is also being launched in the telecom sector. However, on the flip side, experts say more information about an individual or business will now become public, which, if not secured well, could lead to misuse by rogue element. To conclude, India is progressively moving towards the digital world. Thank you for watching my video.